When winter hits hard, you need power, precision, and performance. The Altoz Snow Blower attachment is built to clear parking lots, sidewalks, driveways, and roadways fast. Its 44-inch width and stand-on design lets you get into spots where others cannot. Plus, with Altoz track technology, it powers through even the toughest conditions with ease. Built right here in America, this snow blower features a massive two-stage belt-driven auger, a durable powder coat finish, and heavy-duty components designed to last. Every detail is engineered with precision, from the reinforced steel construction to the expertly crafted components that ensure long-lasting durability in the harshest conditions. Hydraulically adjustable chute rotation and an electrically adjustable chute angle give you total control over where the snow goes. Big performance. Unmatched agility. The Altoz Snow Blower attachment. Because winter doesn't wait.